In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a doctor appointment form using Jotform. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Jotform. Click the official link to head to their website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, signing up is quick and easy. Just enter your details and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, click Create Form. Jotform gives you two options: start from scratch or use one of their many templates. For appointment scheduling, using a template can save you a lot of time. Jotform has several designed specifically for medical appointments. If you choose to build your form from scratch, you'll start by selecting your form layout. Classic forms show all questions on one page, while card forms display one question per page for a step-by-step experience. Choose whichever layout fits your audience best. Now it's time to customize. Jotform's drag and drop builder makes it simple to add fields like patient name, email, phone number, appointment date, preferred doctor, and any other details you need. You can rearrange fields, add instructions, and personalize the form to match your clinic's style. And that's it. You've just created a doctor appointment form with Jotform. Whether you used a template or built your own, you now have a streamlined way for patients to book appointments quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy form building.